Here we have an extreme moment of road rage between the jerk and the blue car. So he is in the left turn lane and decides to go straight. I don't know what his deal is. I think he might have a stick up his arse, but he goes absolutely crazy. Watch until the end because it gets really bad. For whatever reason, he chases after the dashcam driver, and then look what he does now. He cuts in front of the dashcam driver at the red light, sits there like an idiot, makes some rude gestures towards the dashcam driver, and then look what he does. He just sits in the middle of the intersection. What a prick. And then even worse, he brake checks hard. Almost got his car rear-ended there. Then he gets out and goes mad. He is big mad this time.
You're on camera! You're on camera! You're on camera!
No. That's how he sounded like, and he broke the dashcam driver's mirror too.